can look their best. So when the dark starts breaking through, I'll try to see it like the sun sets too. So when the day feels too heavy to hold, look to the sky as it turns to gold. The world keeps moving, it always will, but the colors say be still. 'Cause sunsets don't rush, they just fade slow, teaching hearts to let things go. They whisper it's okay to